Hi guys, welcome to your daily douche. So guys in lovey dovey love, in love with the girl who lives with me, and she loves me also. I told her so, and she agrees we are in love. It's just obvious to anyone who sees us, the body chemistries. We clearly look in each other's eyes, and you can just tell, right? So easy to see. This is true love, true love. Lots of real true love. So guys, since I'm such a real man and in so much love, like real love, nothing rehearsed for the camera, true loves, I am allowing the girl who lives with me to have a day to say yes to things.
Oh wow, I'm so lucky. A whole day and I get to say yes to things. Wow.
Yes, but first, back to me. So guys, test track at Epcot closed for reburnishments. I hope they don't ruin it like Splash Mountain. Anyway, the girl who lives with me says that anytime I drive, it's like test track. She's dumb, just dumb.
And do I get to respond to that? You drive with the seat pulled all the way up to the steering wheel, like my grandmother used to drive. Men don't drive like paranoid freaks.
Hold on there, Missy. I drive very careful. Hands at 10 and 2s, and both feet on pedals at all times. Safety first.
Heavens above, what did I do that was so wrong?
I wasn't finished with my updates, so back to me. So guys, gotta go for a ride with my waiter friend. He's such a stud muffin, always flexing his arms and wearing a nice sporty tight-fitting t-shirt.
What the actual F?
No potty mouth, naughty. Anyway, guys, he called me up and said, let's get wet. And I was like,
Creaming your pants?
can you just go sit over there? We'll get to your stupid yes day when I'm done with my updates. So whatever, she's like ruining the story. We went on the new Splash Mountain, but it didn't splash much, so his shirt didn't like get wet at all. Boring, just boring.
Did that make you cry? Running out of money starts the waterworks. I'm sure not being able to see hot waiter guy all wet must have caused a little shit fit.
Whatever, do you want to have your yes day or not?
Yes, I want to go to...
Hollywood Studios. Employee discount is like 50% off.
You barely know what day it is, but when there's a discount, you're suddenly Einstein.
Sherlock. I'm Sherlock with like super smarts. Everyone called me Sherlock in high school, always saying no shit Sherlock.
Who did I do wrong to cause such?
We've never done it. Stop talking trashy, icky, naughty mouth.
There'd have to be something there in order to do something.
Do you want this yes day or not?
A yes day I have to pay for. Yes. And yes, I want to be alone, and yes, I want a real man someday.
My sister's right. Other women are evil witches, like Halloween witches. Evil, scary. I hate you, evil witch.
And there he goes, running off to the woods crying. I'm sure a video will be out soon. At least now I can concentrate on some design decisions. From Target Home Decor, with this Sunday's Home Decor Sundays, featuring Target Home Decor until Sunday. Bye-bye.